Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can do a slow motion on Capcut, which means how you guys can reduce the speed of your video. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on new project because we want to create a new project. But you can also go inside your older one if you want to edit your old video. So I will just choose a random video from my gallery and click on add. So let's say I want to slow this video down. This video is too fast for me, as you guys can see. What I can do is click on edit at the bottom left. Once you click on edit, you can see this option called speed. It's going to be the second option. From speed, you can even make your video fast or slow. So it's slow-mo, so we obviously want to make it slow. So we will click on speed. Once we click on speed, we want to go on this option called normal. And on normal, you guys can see over here, if you drag this slider forward, your video will be fast. And if you drag this slider backward, your video will be slow. So how slow you want a video, that back you want to go. So 1x means your normal speed. So we want to go back and we want it to be slow 0.5x. So this is how slow our video is going to be. So I want it to be more slower than this, which means I'm going to just take this slider at the end. This is how slow my video is going to be, as you guys can see. It looks like a picture, but it's because my video is slow. So you want to choose how slow you want your video to be and just click on the tick mark at the bottom right. And that's how we guys can make your video slow or make your video fast. But in a way, that's how we guys can do a slow motion on Capcut. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for more Capcut related videos just like this. I'll see you guys next time.